Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Here continues the 11th lesson in Social Studies, the struggle for independence. Topic Gandhiji and the Freedom Movement. Module 2. Let's revise. In the previous class, we learned the formation of Indian National Congress in 1885. In the beginning, the Congress made moderate demands like letting Indians join the government. However, later some members of the Indian National Congress started demanding Swaraj or self-rule. In order to weaken the strength of the freedom struggle, the British divided Bengal on the basis of a religion. This led to the Swadeshi movement. In this module, we will learn Gandhiji's role in freedom struggle. In 1915, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. He joined in the Indian National Congress. Gandhiji became one of the main leaders of the Indian freedom struggle. Under his leadership, the movement spread throughout the country. The Rowlatt Act 1919. According to the Rowlatt Act, the British government can imprison any suspected person without trial. The Rowlatt Act prompted Gandhiji and announced a non-violent peaceful protest known as Satyagraha, which attracted millions of followers. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre 1919. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre took place in the Jallianwala Bagh Public Garden on 13th April 1919. The British soldiers started shooting an unarmed gathering of men, women and children. The person in charge was Brigadier General Dyer, the military commander of Amritsar. It is also known as Amritsar Massacre. Non-cooperation movement 1920. Gandhiji's main motive was to establish non-cooperation, non-violence and made these non-violent movements as his weapons against the British. The non-cooperation movement was launched against the proposed Rowlatt Act of 1919. It began in January 1921 and ended in February 1922 with the Chauri Chaura incident. Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement in 1922 because the movement became violent in some places. With the entry of Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and Abul Kalam Azad into the National Congress, the freedom struggle entered its next phase. The Lahore session held in 1929 was known as a historical session. In this session, the Congress declared that their main aim was to attain complete independence or Purna Swaraj. Jawaharlal Nehru was elected as the new president of the Indian National Congress in this session. Let's sum up. Gandhiji ended in the freedom struggle in the year 1915. The British passed the Rowlatt Act in 1919. Gandhiji declared a non-violent peaceful protest known as Satyagraha. The British attacked the people who protest against the Rowlatt Act under the leadership of General Dyer at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Here is an assignment for you. Question number 1. Define Satyagraha. Question number 2. Why was the non-cooperation movement withdrawn?